Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can upload and use an animated avatar or profile picture in your Steam account or profile in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, launch the Steam app on your device, be it on your desktop computer, for example, or laptop, and log into your account. Next, click into your profile name at the top. And from there, navigate to the artwork section here on the right hand side. From there guys, here in the artwork tab, click into upload artwork and select whether you'd like to go with a specific game artwork or avatar, or use a game not specific or not game specific artwork. I will go with option number 2. From there guys, give your artwork a title, like I will go with an example, my example animated avatar. And after that, click into find file here and locate the artwork, an animated artwork, for example, in GIF format, because JPEG and PNG are not animated, and locate it on your device. Just remember guys that the GIF file or animated image file cannot exceed a maximum file size of 5 MB, so consider that. After that, simply upload it. You may also add a description below, set a visibility here like public, friends only, private or unlisted, and also confirm that you have the rights to use the artwork. So that's totally up to you guys. Make sure that you are that you meet these requirements, like the maximum file size as well as this here, for example, so that you don't violate any of Steam's TOS, of course. And click into save and continue here to save that animated avatar to your profile. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.